Welcome to Firstgrade Incorporated, your one-stop shop for industrial chemicals and animal feeds ingredients in Harare, Zimbabwe. We are dedicated to providing high-quality ingredients to industries throughout Zimbabwe, with delivery available nationwide. Firstgrade Incorporated's industrial chemicals are ideal for a wide range of industrial applications in Harare and beyond. From acids and solvents to surfactants and detergents, we have everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. Our industrial chemicals are sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring the highest quality and consistency for all of our customers. Firstgrade Incorporated offers a comprehensive range of animal feeds ingredients for farmers and agricultural businesses in Harare and throughout Zimbabwe. Our selection includes everything from protein sources and vitamins to minerals and additives, all of which are essential for healthy and productive livestock. At Firstgrade Incorporated, we are committed to providing our customers with the best possible ingredients and service. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can help your business thrive. Call us at +263 242 663 267 or submit a business inquiry online.